Hello everyone, Chris Keleher here from the Chris Keleher Team and our weekly blog series. We're here today to talk to you about smart renovations and where to spend money and how much on your home to get the best value. We're here at one of our renovated listings at 125 Hamilton Street here in downtown Collingwood. Come on in for a look and we'll talk about smart renovations. As you can see, this home has been beautifully renovated and money's been spent in smart places, and that's what we want to be able to do for our clients. Not only provide you market data so you know sort of where your home sits in value and what the sort of top of the market might be for your neighborhood. You never want to over renovate for your neighborhood, but also to give you an idea where the best money is spent that can help you for the best enjoyment of your house, but also down the road, you never know when you're going to have to sell to make it saleable on the open market. So as we walk into the kitchen, obviously, the kitchen is a great place to spend some money, but you got to spend the money right. It has to have all the appeal that you want for the kitchen, and that goes for every aspect of it. So what we want to do is we want to be able to offer this free service to our clients to come by your house, give you some market data, give you an idea of what the house could be worth now and with certain renovations, and where to spend your money in the smartest ways, and things to avoid where you might be sinking money in that you'll never get out of the house. So as we go to the backyard, I want to talk to you a little bit more about other value. Give us a call, we'll come by and do that. But not only that, but you guys can always give us a call and ask us for advice on contractors, who to hire. We can give you our recommended preferred list of contractors that is available to all of our clients, future clients, past clients, present clients, to help you make the right choice with contractors, make the right choice with renovations, and be connected with the right people. We want to coach all the people we know into smart renovations and where to balance your money, to spend your money in the right places without spending too much, without over renovating, but also to personalize the house for you and the things that you want for the house. Give us a call, we can come by the house, we can send you a recommended contractor list, and we can do what we can to help you make smart renovation choices. We'll see you next time.